Okay, so here's the scoop on Travel Gig. Because let's face it, getting paid to hook your friends up with access to wholesale rates for free is awesome. There are a couple key factors that make all of this work. Travel Gig is designed to be a no-brainer opportunity. Everyone loves to travel, but we let the system do all the selling so you don't have to. The mobile app makes it easy to share with others. It's free to join, yet offers lucrative compensation. Plus, you can even get customers directly from the company. This is all possible for one reason: real customer value. Happy Trips is designed transparently. It's free to join and get instant access to true wholesale rates. When you book a trip, you can pay to upgrade, but the cost is less than the amount you're saving. No catches, no tricks, just irresistible value. There are thousands of Happy Trips to choose from, and more being added all the time. You can travel the world at wholesale and check off your bucket list, or stay closer to home with tons of amazing trips within driving distance of you right now. Or take advantage of the Happy Travel hotel booking engine. These are the same brand names you know and trust. We just cut out the middleman and pass the savings directly onto you. I mean, seriously, why pay retail? Travel Gig is a turnkey side gig. Everything is set up and ready to go, just waiting for you. Or as we like to say, be happy, travel.